Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Utsav & Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. And like in my last video I said I'm not going to be able to do another video till next Wednesday, but hey, it's Wednesday today, so never mind that last video. But please do go check out the last video that I posted about the diamond painting, and I will have the link in the description below or somewhere on the screen, so do check it out. So in yesterday's video I did mention that I'm going to I have an Amazon diamond painting kit on order at Amazon, but I was kind of impatient and I went to Michael's since they were accepting the competitors coupon, and AC Moore had 50% off coupon, so I used the 50% off coupon on this Diamond Dotz kit that I got at Amazon right here. So this was $17.99 because it's a smaller version. There is a bigger version. There are bigger kits with different designs on them, and those retail for $29.99. And then I used a 50% off coupon, which brought it down to about $9 with tax, and I was really excited. I just wanted to try different brands and different companies and different sellers. So I'm going to do an unboxing here, and then I might start a little bit and then show you in my later on videos once I have completed this diamond painting. So it is Diamond Dotz, the brand name here. And then the design I chose was Baby Tiger Roly Poly. And let's open it up and see what I got inside. I'm really excited. Okay, put that to the side. So first up we have all the tools here. Let's open the bag and see what I got in the tools. Okay, so let's put this to the side. The first thing first, this is the pen that comes for picking up the drills, and then there is a grip, and you can just put the grip through. It won't go through this way. Oh well, I'm having a hard time putting the grip through. Yay, can't even do that. That's kind of silly. Never mind, I'll put it offline and then show you guys. There's a cute little bottle of wax. It's not much, it's just a little bit, and it says peel off, so we'll have to peel it off right here. Oh, if it went out of screen, it's right here, the peel off, and I'll peel it off later. I don't know why the grip didn't work, but hey. And then there's this cute tray with some grooves in it, and then some resealable bags right here for the extra drills that is left over. And there's a whole bunch of drills that they sent us. I didn't check how many colors, but when I open the instruction booklet, it should have some colors in it. And how do you get this open? You know what, guys? I'll open this up and be back. So while I was gone, I managed to open up all the colors, and there are 16 of them. And then I also managed to get the grip onto the stylus, and obviously I went ahead and peeled off the peel off sign from here because I didn't want to make it look like, oh, what am I doing on camera? Okay, so just to make it easier for me, these drills are really cute, and some of them are super shiny. If you can see, this one has a shiny edge to it. Like this one is kind of matte. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but this one right here is super shiny. I think those are the only ones that, these A13 are the only ones that are super shiny. All of them are just the same. And these are round drills, and it's a partial drill painting. I looked through all the Diamond Dot kits and none of them were full drill. It was all partial drill. Hey, that's okay. And I think the Wolf has the maximum number of drills to put on, and it's a bigger kit. It was $29.99, but I decided I'm just going to try with the smaller one. So here is my picture right here, and well, it's upside down. Put it this way, and it's super cute. I'm just going to roll it the other way around to make it straight. Okay, just to make it straight. And this comes with a transparent film over it, makes it easier to show you guys. I don't have to rip it open or anything. And yeah, this is it. And then it comes with instruction booklet right here, and it has about a few languages. That's yeah, it says French and Spanish and German or Dutch and Italian, I guess, if I'm reading it correct. And it does come in English, obviously. I'm just being funny, but it does come in English. So, and it has like about 12 steps. And let me go ahead and prep up the stylus and see how it works. And I'll start off up a little bit on camera. So I'm just trying to take the wax. I've removed the label on top of it, and then I'm just going to dip the stylus into the wax. Hold on. And I think this much is enough. I'm just going to get a little bit more, but I don't think you need that much. And you're left with a lot of wax. And this is a lot of wax, although it looks like it's a very tiny sheet of wax, but it is a lot of wax. I'm telling you guys, it'll never get over on you. Okay, so because I was excited about these super shiny ones, the 813 one, and the first thing I saw right here, it needed the 813, so I'm going to work with them. Hey, that's cool, right? So you take your plate or the tray, and you pour out some of them, and if you have leftovers, you need to put them and store them away in little containers, which will make it easier. But I'm doing the glittery one first, the shiny one first, because hey, who doesn't like a little bit of shine in their life? So this grooves make it easier for the rhinestones to stay straight, and it helps you move around easily. And let me pull up the backing a little bit right here, and I'm going to pick up one dot and press it down here. And then another one. And this is super simple and easy. That's about it. You just keep following the pattern that's here, and then all the numbers are number reciprocate a pattern design, and you just keep doing it according to the pattern, and it fills up easily. And this is really easy, guys. The stylus makes it really easy. I'm going to show you, in my previous video I showed you the other kit that I purchased back in 2019, and I mean 2016. What am I saying? 2019 is not even here, guys. Okay, don't mind me. I'm just excited, and I'm just like, what am I talking about? Okay, so anyways, the kit that I purchased in 2016, which I had lost and I finally found it, it was a square drill, and it did not come with a stylus. Let me show you that one. If you haven't watched my previous video, do watch it. I will have the link in the description below. But let me show you how much I got that done. And I did it with it's right here. I did it with the what is it called? It's called a tweezer. Oh God, I'm out of words. Okay, it's called a tweezer, and it came with a tweezer only right here. It came with a tweezer, and I was able to do this much in about 3 to 4 hours. It's not much work done, but I got about 5 lines done right here. And these are square drills. The one that Diamond Dots come with They are round drills, and the stylus, guys, it makes it easier to and faster to work with. Although I have watched some videos of some of the YouTubers, and they prefer the tweezer over the stylus, which is fine. I mean, you can experiment yourself and see what you like and have what you feel comfortable with. But this is really easy and really fast, and there is no like, there's nothing complicated in this, and it's really easy. The stylus has a grip on it, which makes it really, really nice. You don't have to strain your fingers. But yeah, so can you see I did this much right here in the corner, and this is a really sticky surface, so make sure you're not putting your fingers on them, or you'll have like the impressions on it and it might ruin the glue. Also, the drill quality here is really, really good. As you can see, it is really good and really shiny, and I really love this kit. I'm hoping to finish it soon, and then I'll upload a video of how it looks like once it's done. So let me know how you like this video, and leave me a comment below if you have done a Diamond Dots kit painting, and if you want to share your video, share your pictures, do share them with me. And follow me on my Instagram, YouTube, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I will have all the links in the description below for them. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to be updated with every new videos that I come out with. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye. Love you all.